Alright, first video using the Insta 360 Go 3. I can see on the screen right now, I have it set up so it's kind of in a vlogging format, that it's ultra wide, which I like. I like that you can see both passenger seat over here, you can see me, and you can see basically the entire interior of the car, and Bodie being excited because we're going to go on a short hike to test it out. No serious mountains or anything, but just wanted to use the Go 3, get used to it, see how the footage comes out, and go from there. I'm really excited to see how it looks. We got the whole squad looking now. Oh, Bodie, you were just in the shot. Bodie, right here. Come here. Come here.
Bodie, you want a treat?
He saw the camera come up. Yeah, I can see you. It's ultra wide. It's sick.
This is cheating.
It's not cheating.
This is so cheating.
You're in frame, man.
No, that's cheating.
Alex is jealous. He's gonna end up getting one. Let's go.
Waiting for sunshine.
Good boy.
Waiting for sunshine. Waiting for sunshine.
Come on. We're good. Come on. Keep going. We're okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. My brother Alex right here, and then Bodie walking around in the back, made it up to Mount Adams for, is it your third time too? Or fourth?
Yeah, third.
Our third time. We've done it once in the winter, once in the fall, and now once in the summer. It was just a beautiful day. The summer's been tough with weather, so we decided we had to get out. And Bodie pulls himself up, pulls me up with the leash, so he's pretty shot, but he's got a lot of energy still. He's happy just to be outside in the mud. I'm letting him walk around the summit. There's really nowhere for him to go. He's just exploring, and we're all just having a good day out here. So I'm excited to use this Insta 360 Go 3 as I walk up the Firetower. I think it'll be really cool, and yeah, you'll see in one sec. All right, going up the Firetower on Mount Adams, first time with this Insta 360 Go 3. I can't wait to see what it looks like. This is kind of neat. All right. And it's beautiful. You got some cloud coverage on Marcy, which is really pretty. Just gotta make sure I don't hit any of the steel holding the Firetower. Turning. Do some maneuvering into here. All right. Into the cabin we go. There's a table. Yeah, look at that. This is cool. Never got this vantage point before. Outside the tower. This way. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go lower window. That's really cool. this is just the video mode. It's at 2.7K. And I'm in the cabin of the Firetower. So this is a really, really cool vantage point. This is really cool. I love this camera already. So I can't wait to use the other modes. But I just wanted to kind of see how the footage turns out before I take it on some more serious climbs. So definitely having a good time using this thing. This is really cool. Alright, I'm going to see what I can do to get a shot of the Firetower from the top. So bear with me. What do we think of that? That's some height. So yeah, this Firetower is one of the higher ones. That's one of the reasons why I love it, why the view is so grandiose. But yeah, I'm not slowly but quickly falling in love with this little camera. I'm gonna start bringing it on a lot more hikes, especially since it's so lightweight and it has so much versatility that you can capture all these different viewpoints that I was not able to capture before. What's also really cool is that it has great audio, and I can also capture myself getting some footage. I had to tighten this thing. I love this tripod I bought, but the only thing that feels cheap about it is the head of it has to constantly be, not constantly, but has to be tightened with its screw every now and then, which is easy, but my only complaint so far. If I do this, I can get the window as part of the frame. And I do love having a tripod. I wanted to get a couple more angles. I keep going to the higher window. I should go to the lower one. There we are, right in the side. That's cool. Yeah, it's a beautiful day to be doing this. Views are incredible as always. So, take you this way. And one more for good luck. All right, last shot. I'm in love with this thing. There we are. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I can say I've seen the roof of this Firetower. So yeah, that's the Insta 360 Go on the regular video setting. Hope you guys liked it. I'll be using the other settings soon, but just kind of getting a feel for this new device, this new camera. I'm so used to my Sony a6000. I've been using it for the past like 5 years, so it's nice to be using something new. I had a GoPro, but I never really used it. This just seems more functional. I'm sure the newer ones are great, but I saw this, I saw some reviews, I saw some of my favorite creators using it. Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go, and I love it. And I haven't detached it from the action pod yet. I haven't found the need for that, but I'm sure that I'll be able to get some really creative angles when I do that. So anyway, hope you all enjoyed, and I definitely love this thing. If you are thinking about getting one, you definitely should. So until next time, like and subscribe for more. I'm coming, Bodie! I'm coming! Look how excited he is! Hi! Just testing the stabilization while I'm on a gravel road in the Adirondacks. I want to see how it goes. I have the stabilization on high instead of standard, just to see if there's a big difference. So, just doing that right now. Next one's gonna be standard, see how that one goes. All right, now we're on standard. Again, same gravel road, a lot of bumps.
You get that on video?
What?
You got smacked in the nose by this guy.
Oh, there's a bee in the vehicle, that's good. This is gonna be good content. This is good content. There is a bee in the car with us right now on Alex's side. We're gonna let it run.
Okay.
Oh, it's on my side now. Nah, son. No.
Bodie's gonna be the one that gets stung.
No. I don't want my dog to get stung. Nah. Get out of here. Oh, it's like in my car.
I like dive bombed it in my nose.
Come on. Squish it.
You so? Shh, bro. I got us.
Kill it! Not with my gear. Not with my gear. No.
Good,
No.
He's good.
Is it dead? In my cap. In the cap. Oh, its head is out there. No, don't lose the cap. Don't lose the cap. Oh, you got his wing. Oh, no.
He hit me, I hit him back.
Okay. Anyway, so we're on standard mode now, and we'll see how this turns out. The bee is no longer with us.
Ever again.
Ever again. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that. Alright, we won't have a bee this time, hopefully. I have it on max stabilization now. This is meant for like mountain biking, so I doubt it's going to be a difference from high. And it might even be better than standard. It's probably way better than standard, but like it might not be a difference from standard while driving. I'm on it again, same gravel road. It goes for a while. I'm hitting a lot of bumps. So see how it turns out, if it's any different. It might just be, if you're driving, it might be great for just having standard mode. You might be fine there. Having standard mode. You might be fine there. So just kind of testing all those out, seeing how they look. Anyway.
I can't wait to make everyone yawn after that video.
Yawn?
Yeah, because it's contagious. I yawned in it. You'll probably yawn after you watch it.
Okay. Very good. Alex yawned. He thinks you're all gonna yawn. On that note, that's it for the stabilization testing in the car. Alright, this is another test. I'm back on standard stabilization, and I really just want to hear what the audio sounds like when I'm in the car with the windows down on the highway, because I know this camera has pretty good microphones, but I want to test them a little bit. And in the woods it's quiet.